Hi, and welcome to another episode of Down the Shed. I'm your host, Jason. So here we have a Konig lightweight photo and video camera tripod. This was about 15 quid. Attach your camera to the lightweight aluminium tripod and shoot razor sharp stable images. It is equipped with a 3-way pan head, flip locks for extra sturdiness, and a 4-section adjustable height. Package contents even. 1 tripod, 1 carrying bag and 1 manual. Net weight is 450 grams, max height is 105 centimeters, folded height is 35, max weight is 1.5 kilograms. So, let's get it open. As from the last video, I'm going to be a bit more careful with razor blades. And the keen-eyed of you will notice that all of a sudden I've appeared with a second glove. Right, second glove. Woo! Another box to hide away forever. Right, so let's get into this. Oh, I see. The bubble goes down there. One user pamphlet, not manual. Page. One user page. Half a page. It's not exactly rocket science, is it? So we have built-in spirit level. This should be a second one, I'd have thought. It's alright getting level that way. Never mind. So that seems to lock off quite nicely. And there's the base for screwing the camera to. This one's obviously your tilt. And then we have the camera itself, the tripod itself, sorry, my bad. Sits quite nicely. Two extendable sections. Just one quick addition to this video. I didn't realise this before, but the head actually has some extension. It's more than that, hang on. There we go. So you can actually extend the top about, what, 6 inches, 5 inches, as well as the legs. So, cracking little tripod for the money. Thank you, Amazon. Obviously you wouldn't need 11 feet because you just use one of these. So yeah, we can, it's a bit cheapy, but what do you expect for about 15 quid? I purposely chose the cheapest, or not the cheapest, but a cheapy one, because I didn't need to spend loads of bucks. So she's going to sit up here, down the shed. So yeah, there we have it. It's off level, because I've just been messing around with it, but flick, flick. Flick, flick. And flick, flick. Not a bad little piece of kit, to be honest. I mean, for tabletop stuff, that would pretty much work on itself anyway. Probably get some of these videos in quite nicely, but I want the camera behind me. Anyway, there's the tripod. Thanks for watching. Any comments in the box below? Please subscribe. And hopefully I'll bring you more unboxing gadgets and tech videos, build-in kits, etc. Here's one I did earlier. Not earlier today, but actually I've done 2 of these. I modified the first one and broke it a little bit. Still works, but these, where's the camera? These are awesome. This is I think it's a Banggood test kit component in the box. I've changed the issued LED for an ultra bright one. I'll put a finger over that because it's a bit blinding. But there we go, you put a part in there, click it down, well put a part in here rather, click it down, hit the old test button, and it will give you your values of resistors, transistors, etc. for when you're doing these cheap kits that don't come with any instructions whatsoever. So I'll bid you a farewell and see you again soon.